Hi there. We're going to show you how to install the Tri-Oxy Pure Laundry. Now, so you don't get anything ruined, cover up a work area. Have some wipes handy. You'll need some scissors, probably some channel locks, a couple of crescent wrenches. You'll need some Teflon tape, some Teflon paste. Your kit comes with some silicone washers. And if you ordered the laundry, you're going to get lead-free brass connectors. You need 2 per Venturi valve. Now your kit is going to come in this box, and it comes with a bunch of silicone hose, an adapter, so if you want to use it on your kitchen faucet without using the T's. Got a power cord, 2 Venturi T's, the main machine. We'll set that over there out of the way. You get a way to attach that machine to the wall. And instruction paper, along with some clamps to attach the hose to the wall, some check valves, and some Ys. So the first thing to do is to get these ready. Now, you have to use a ton of Teflon tape on these fittings. Now you can never use too much almost. This stuff is pretty forgiving. Because this is the part that if you don't put enough on, I mean I brought the paste. That you put it on there and it's not going to leak. See these? This short side of the T hooks up to the water supply valve. That's important. And that valve is like a hose bib. So that's not the right one. What we want is this end, because that's going to screw on your water supply. So you want to make sure not get it cross-threaded. So you want to, make sure and push as you're doing it. That's going on there pretty easy. I don't think I got enough Teflon tape on there. I'm just going to do the overkill routine because I don't want to have to take it back off and redo it again because of a drip or a leak, because we don't want to rot your floor out. The only thing about putting a lot of tape on there is you could get it cross-threaded easily, but you can see there that I didn't. So then the other end, we do the same thing. Good. Be careful because those threads are so sharp, like paper cuts on your fingers. So that's going on there straight. So I'm going to get a little assistance here with that. Going on there like I like, a little bit harder. That means, you know, I got plenty of Teflon tape on there. There we go. Actually, I think this one went on too easy. I'm just gonna put a little more tape on that one yet. I just want to be overkill on that. When I installed the one in my house, I had to take it off twice because I didn't get enough on there, and it just is frustrating. Let me tell you. A lot easier now than later. So you're going to repeat this on this other valve. So we'll fast forward to that point. See, now it's going on there straight and I can't do it finger tight. So now I'm going to use the crescent wrench. Yeah, it's going on there straight. That's why I said you might need some channel locks, because you need a little resistance. There we go. That's about how you want it. You want to be able to have plenty of that on there so that you don't have leaks when that water's under pressure. So there's one down, one to go. Okay, I'm back. Got the second one done. It looks like I might have cross-threaded that just a little bit, so I'm going to show you a trick here. You can undo that just a tad. It's actually, you know, kind of a good thing to do, really. Undo it just a tad. And then use some of this Teflon paste. Use it on this back side. And it'll seal up anything. And then it won't even get in the, you know, it won't get in the flow of the water from the inside of the fitting. I like to use these Grind Boss wipes. You don't get that Teflon everywhere. I tell you what, I've ruined so many clothes. Just you think, oh, I'm not going to get anything dirty, and then you do. Okay, so then that paste sealed up any of those threads that I may have cross-threaded. Build up a little dam here, and that'll keep it from pretty much ever leaking. So that's actually a wise thing if you want, is to use the tape on this end, and then right before you finish threading it all the way on here is to throw some paste in there on the back side. On the front side, we're going to use one of these 100% silicone washers that are going to go up against that hose bib, so then you're not going to have any leaks.
Get balanced and optimized with a hair analysis program today.